So here we already discussed about the light. Okay, light is a form of energy. Then light is the according to the wave theory, light is the electromagnetic wave, and the speed of light is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 8 meter per second in vacuum. Okay, so now the next and main important part we are going to discuss, that is the reflection of light. So first we are going to discuss about the reflection of light. So what is meant by the reflection? Reflection means the whenever the light rays are passing, so that time the light rays are sent back. Okay, हम जब भी लाइट रेज पास करेंगे, अगर वो सेम लाइट रेज अगर बैक हमें सेम मीडियम से मिल रहे हैं, सो दैट इज नोन एज द रिफ्लेक्शन. सो हियर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्शन. So here we will discuss the definition of reflection. So reflection is none another, it is process of sending back light rays from the surface, sending back light rays which falls on surface of object. Okay, so students, here you can see that the definition of reflection. So according to the definition of reflection, reflection means that whenever the light rays are falling on any object and that light rays are sending back with the same medium, that is known as the reflection. So it is the process of sending back light rays which falls on surface of object. It is the sending back of light rays which falls on सरफेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर जो भी लाइट रेज आते हैं, अगर वो लाइट रेज सेम मीडियम के साथ रिटर्न बैक आते हैं, सो दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो हियर यू जस्ट सी one plane mirror is there. This one is light ray. After the reflection, the light ray will send back. Reflected ray, light ray sent back. So this process is known as the reflection. So here you can see that suppose the light ray known as the AO and OV, when the AO falls on the mirror, so that time the ray reflected with the another ray. This one is also known as the bouncing off. So we can take the example of सपोज हम एक बॉल अगर वॉल के ऊपर डालते हैं तो वो तुरंत हमें रिप्लाई करता है, वो वापस आ जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज दी बाउंसिंग ऑफ. सो सेम वे जैसे लाइट रे मिरर के ऊपर फॉल होता है, सो दैट टाइम इट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड विथ अनदर वे, वो अनदर वे से वहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है. सो ओ बी इज अ रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. Okay, so the reflection is also depend upon the which type of surface is there. Okay, if smooth surface is there, so it means that there is a regular reflection, and if rough surface is there, it means that the irregular reflection. So that is known as the diffuse reflection also. So what is the regular reflection and the irregular reflection? So अगर smooth surface है, so that time reflection is more, and if rough surface is there, so that time reflection is less. So reflection is also depend upon the which type of surface we are using. Then again because of the reflection only we can see all the things which are present in the room. हमारा जो रूम का सरफेस होता है, मीन्स जो वॉल होते हैं, ऑल वॉल जो होते हैं वो प्लेन होते हैं लाइक द मिरर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली स्मूथ वॉल्स होते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली रिफ्लेक्शन मोर होता है, एंड ड्यू टू दैट ऑल द थिंग्स आर विजिबल टू अस. जैसे चेयर है, सोफा है, उसका सरफेस रफ होता है, सो देन ऑल्सो दैट थिंग्स आर विजिबल टू अस. So now the next part we are going to discuss, that is the law of reflection. So reflection is none another, reflection is bouncing off, or another definition of the reflection, it is the process of sending back light rays which falls on the surface of a object, and it is also the bouncing of light. And in plane mirror, reflection of the light is depend upon the plane, which type of surface we are using, plane mirror or the rough surface. Now the next we are going to discuss, that is a reflection of laws of reflection of light. So let us discuss laws of reflection